Hi, it's Reset, and today I'll show you how to enable NFC and set up contactless payment on INFINIX Note 60. So first, scroll from the top and find the NFC. Then click and hold. Now, you can put the NFC sensor close to an NFC reader to use cards or make payments. Here, enable the NFC. Then we have the Add NFC access card. And right here, put card close to your phone. Place it close to your phone's NFC sensor area and hold still to scan the card. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.